Station, this is Houston. Are you ready for the event?
Houston Station, we are ready.
MBRSC, this is Mission Control Houston. Please call station for voice check.
This is MBRSC. We can hear you clear and loud.
Station, this is MBRC. How do you hear me?
MBRC Station got you loud and clear.
الحمد لله على السلامة يا سلطان. معك سيدي صاحب السمو الشيخ
Sultan, here we have with us His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He will address you now.
مرحبا سلطان. الحمد لله.
Greetings, Sultan. I'm thankful to God for you have reached the International Space Station. Thank God for your safety.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. طول العمر الله يسلمك ويطول عمرك. الحمد لله وصلنا لمحطة فضاء الدولية ونحن.
May the peace and blessings of God be upon you, Your Highness. Thank you. Thank God we reached the International Space Station. We are in good health. And I'm very happy and pleased to be in this station, and hopefully we will continue communicating with you throughout the coming 6 months, hopefully. And I would like to let you know that the youth of the UAE and the Arab world are taking you as an example and wish you all the luck.
شكرا يا طويل العمر. أنا لا زلت أستذكر وعدك لزميلي هزاع المنصوري لما وصل لهذا المكان في 2019.
Thank you, Your Highness. I still remember the promise you gave to my colleague Hazza al-Mansouri when he reached the International Space Station, and I will reiterate this promise. Perhaps I was the most happy to have this promise, and today I'm an example that the UAE is actually following on the promise, and hopefully people will follow in the footsteps of my brother Hazza and my footsteps. This is what we hope for. What are the research and the experiments that you are conducting aboard the International Space Station?
نعم طويل العمر، نحن من اليوم الأول ونحن عندنا جدول مزدحم. حاليا في طاقم راح يغادر المحطة.
Yes, Your Highness. Since day one, we have a very crowded schedule. Today, or in the 3 days' time, a crew will leave the International Space Station, and our crew will handle all of these tasks. And throughout the coming 6 months, we will conduct scientific experiments. We have a large number of scientific experiments that the UAE will take part in addition to international space agencies. We also have a number of experiments from the UAE that will be conducted by the UAE and will hold the UAE fingerprints. And also one of the scientific experiments is us, Your Highness. We are also the subject of these experiments. Astronauts in microgravity are also subjects of these experiments. And one day, Your Highness, people will go to the moon and Mars. So, as you know, we have to understand the effect of microgravity on our bodies. This is one of the experiments that we conduct on a daily basis. So we monitor the impact and the effect of space on our bodies so we can avoid these risks in the future. Sultan, are you getting used to the International Space Station by now?
طويل العمر، أنا ربما كنت مازح الجميع أقول لهم عندنا سهيل ربما أحسن مني في الانعدام الجاذبية بالحركة.
Your Highness, I used to tell everyone that we have Suhail, and perhaps Suhail is better in coping with microgravity. I'm still coping, I'm still learning, but hopefully I will enhance my skills in the coming days. Congratulations, Sultan, and may God preserve you.
شكرا يا طويل العمر وسعيد بهذا الاتصال. شكرا جزيلا.
Thank you, Your Highness. I was very pleased to have this call with you. Thank you. I want to ask you, when you return to Earth, do you find it difficult to walk on Earth again? Yes, Your Highness, it is one of the difficult things. You need up to 2 weeks to get used to walking again. It is difficult to walk once we go back to Earth, so we have to rehabilitate and train again on how to walk on Earth. So it takes time. As you can see, Your Highness, this is the location of the International Space Station. You can see here that Sultan, and you can know when Sultan will pass over the UAE, so we can monitor his location on a daily basis. And also we have all of these cameras outside of the International Space Station. Our colleagues are all here. They are monitoring Sultan's daily basis as well. We have a whole crew, a whole team whose main mission is to follow Sultan and monitor his activities. Yes, Your Highness, this was with me in the first mission, but we changed the suit of Sahel. He was with me during the mission and he changed his clothes, and he's still here aboard the mission. Hopefully, Sultan, in the coming days, Your Highness will also take videos and share them with school children and students, because our goal is to render students part of this mission.
Station, this is Houston ACR. Thank you. That concludes our event.